Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting permissions right so face effects can work. Join the meet, then allow camera and mic in your browser or OS, otherwise nothing will process. If you plan to use Meet's built-in effects, click the three dots and choose Apply Visual Effects. If using a third-party virtual camera, install and select it now. Once done, make sure the selected camera shows your feed so the next steps apply to the correct input device. You now pick the actual face change method. In Meet, open Effects or Backgrounds and choose a filter or mask. For more control, pick a virtual camera app like Snap Camera and then select that camera in Meet. Make adjustments to intensity, brightness, and framing so the effect tracks your face smoothly. Low light or a cluttered background breaks tracking. If using third-party software, confirm its preview looks correct before applying in Meet, so you finish by validating and stabilizing the effect. Do a quick local recording or ask a colleague to confirm the appearance and lip sync. This avoids surprises in live calls. If you experience lag, reduce camera resolution or close other CPU-heavy apps, then restart the virtual camera. If the filter disappears, check camera permissions and select the correct camera in Meet. Reinstall the virtual camera app only if reselecting and restarting fail. This one tip usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.